Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to get Nifty Futures Chart in TradingView. If you're just starting out in trading or you're a seasoned trader looking to expand your toolkit, having access to specific charts in TradingView can significantly boost your analysis capabilities. So let's jump right in and explore how to locate the Nifty Futures Chart. First, you'll need to open TradingView, which you can access through your web browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. TradingView is a robust platform for charting, offering a wealth of tools and data right at your fingertips. Once you've got it open, take a moment to get familiar with the main interface. You'll notice the symbol ticker prominently displayed at the top. This is where you can change the chart to show different instruments. Let's focus on that symbol ticker. Click on it, and you'll be able to search through the extensive database of financial instruments available on the platform. In the search bar, type in Nifty 1 or the more detailed NSE Nifty 1. These tickers represent the continuous futures contract for the NSE Nifty 50 index. This index tracks the top 50 companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. By using these specific symbols, TradingView knows exactly what data you're interested in. Once you've typed in either Nifty 1 or NSE Nifty 1, you'll see a drop-down list showing the option you want: NSE Nifty 1, S&P CNX Nifty Index Futures. It's important to select the option tied to the National Stock Exchange of India to ensure you're looking at the right index futures. By selecting this from the drop-down, TradingView will load the chart displaying the relevant data and trends we want to analyze. This straightforward process gives you access to crucial information that can aid you in making informed trading decisions. Whether you're observing market trends or planning your next trade, having ready access to this chart is invaluable. Now you're all set to visualize and strategize using the Nifty Futures Chart in TradingView. Remember, exploring different tools and datasets within TradingView can further enhance your trading insights. Don't hesitate to explore the various functionalities TradingView offers, such as adding indicators, drawing trend lines, or analyzing historical data. Each layer of data can enrich your understanding and strategic approach. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to get Nifty Futures Chart in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.